Okay, this video is about changing the tire. This is a brand new tire for the Elite pneumatic tire sold by Monster Scooter Parts. When you take this wheel off to change your tire, what you want to do is you want to pop that cap off from the other side. Put this wheel inside a bathtub on a mat. Use a lot of soap and water and use your spoons, your tire spoons, to pull that tire off on the other side. Don't work on this side, it'll mess up the, it's not chrome, it's polished aluminum. So, I've been working on keeping my other tire inflated. I got a piece of glass right up in the sidewall, and it punctured it twice. And I've been having all kinds of hell trying to keep that thing inflated. So I've used Elite EW36 tubes. They didn't work. They got pinched somehow. I've used a heavy-duty wheelbarrow tube. That got pinched. I've used $18 a bottle sealant. That didn't work. 2 bottles of green slime. That didn't work. I finally used one of those pool noodles. I got that idea off of YouTube. And it's very hard to stick your fingers in these tires. So squashing those tubes in there and that pool noodle was not easy. But use a lot of soap and water, and that thing will pop off and do everything from the other side. If you're going to mess anything up, you want to mess it up on the other side. Now these are polished aluminum. They can be sanded down and made polished again. You can polish these things. So I'll keep the other wheel as a spare. And as soon as Monster Scooter Parts comes in with a brand new wheel and tire assembly, then I'll go ahead and buy that and stick that on the other side. Because I really messed up that other side doing all that work. And so remember, use a lot of soap and water, put it in a bathtub on a mat, and everything from the other side. And remember to take this cap off so you don't scratch that up. And do all the work from the other side, and everything will be all right.